My keyboard is not working properly anymore, and I don't know why. I've been searching and testing for hours now, but I still haven't found the error. Thank God it's different with my Ethernet network. Here, too, errors can occur from time to time that affect communication and then cause the network and machine to fail. For example, a kinked cable. An unauthorized access via a free Ethernet port, or a too high data load in the network, for example, due to many devices added to the network later. And just like with my keyboard, it can be quite difficult to find the cause of the problems. But fortunately, the Complete Line managed switches offer various functions that make troubleshooting easier and even help to fix the problem and prevent some errors from occurring by themselves. For example, they enable quick localization and repair of defective cables or plugs via link down detection and reporting, or the redundant construction of a network. If a communication line fails, it is still possible to communicate via a second way, so that a network failure does not occur in the first place. And with comprehensive statistics on the utilization of individual ports, the time and source of peak loads can be quickly identified. With these and other simple functions, you can save yourself this and have more time for the important things in life.